Hi guys, this is 3DFX. We have a little bit of an unboxing today. It will be the cover for the HTC U12 Plus, a very popular new phone. It's the from the Poetic cases. So without further ado, we'll just do a really quick little unboxing of this package. Let's see. So it comes all the way from California to Sweden, so I had to wait a little longer than expected for this today. But it also was because I needed to pay some toll fees or whatever it was, and I didn't do that at once, so it took a little longer. But now it's here, so we'll see what's in the package. There we go, my friends. Very, very nice little package right there. I wasn't really expecting this, to be honest. It was a bit of a surprise, I must say. So that's cool. Poetic with love from SF, whatever that is, I don't know. Very, very cool. Was totally unexpecting this. So I didn't expect this cool design, but that was pretty cool. So let's see if we can open it and see what's inside. Okay, so that was very, very easy to open. Thank you, Poetic. Thank you very much. And here we find the beautiful cover with love from SF. Probably some kind of instruction manual, is it? Okay, and here we have the cover. So yeah, I think the weight of the cover was kind of like I expected, not like totally super heavy, but kind of light, because it was kind of cheap. So I think maybe they couldn't make it too heavy, because then it would cost too much in material and so on. But it feels kind of like, you know, the silicone layers that you usually have on a flagship phone, or for a flagship phone. It comes with all the microphone outlets for this phone, because this phone has 4 of the microphone, I mean for the microphone. So the 4 exits for that. And you can also notice you have this little thing for your thumb also. So let me just see. Okay, so that's all for today, and I thank you for watching. If you like, please rate, comment, and subscribe, and share this video if you like. Bye bye.